everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Charlie Zena if this is your first time here. Alright you guys, so in this video today I'm just going to be doing a quick chit chat. I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my wash day routine and showing you guys how I stretch my curls so that it can look super nice. I'm also going to be giving you guys a length check, so if you're interested in seeing that, then make sure you just keep watching this video. Alright, so I just got out the shower, you guys. This is what my hair is looking like. But I wanted to use this time to do a little chit chat because it's been a while since I uploaded on my channel. I know I've been MIA a little bit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I kind of been active over there. I'm gonna just link my Instagram right here. Go follow me. So the weather is starting to get nice. People are starting to act up outside. People think outside is open. I'm still chilling. And I'm still doing my self-work. I'm still doing my reflections on myself, who I am as a person, what type of people I want to have around me. And I realized, it took me a while, right, to realize that first of all, not everybody's gonna like me, not everybody's gonna like you. And second, even though you might have somebody's best interest at heart, they may not have yours at heart. So you gotta really be careful because there are people who are out there trying to take your energy, people who be secretly competing with you. You guys ever had to deal with something like that, where people are like secretly competing with you and you don't even know like that they're competing with you? Just making sure I have to be careful about the energy that I keep around me because I feel like I've been naive. I also have to remind myself that actions speak louder than words, and you really have to like be mindful of what people do. And then I'm like so forgiving, right? Oh my god, look at this length, y'all. Let's get the front. Let's get the front. Okay? Alright. So I'm just gonna be going in with like my favorite combo. I have a little bit of Jamaican castor oil water spray here, natural curl defining cream, and this moisture lock from Dark and Lovely. I love this stuff. This is like my go-to combination for my twist out. Going back to what I was saying, getting older and realizing not everybody deserves to stay in your life forever. Like some people are here for a lifetime and some people are here for a season. When that season is up, we have to acknowledge it's okay to let things go and let people go, let places go. I wrote about this in my journal. It was like, okay, I think I need to cut like some people out when you just realize it's not really benefiting you anymore. The relationship is not really, there's nothing aside from stress and anxiety coming from a situation, whether it's an environment, people, anything, and realizing that you can just cut those things out. Obviously, like there's good parts of something, so you might miss it. You know, when one door closed, another door open. I also realized like that when you hold on to things from the past that you just want to hold on to because for whatever reason you don't want to let something go, it holds you back. You probably don't even realize how slow you're going, like, or how much more progress you you could be making if you just let certain things go. You gotta be very careful because people will show you support and love, but that support and love is not always real. I feel like I've been naive in a sense to believe that people, everybody, or most people, when they show love, it's genuine love. Maybe you are like experiencing something that's not so great, or maybe you're going through something tough. People will be so excited to be like, oh wow, like here's a situation where you did wrong, and I want to make sure I'm telling you that you're doing wrong even though there's nothing wrong. Or maybe things didn't turn out how you wanted, but things didn't go wrong. But then there's people who are excited, like taking the first opportunity to try and rub it in your face on some I told you so. Rather than me taking it personal and feeling some type of way, I'm realizing like, okay, cool, like people are showing themselves and they're showing that they don't really want to see you do well, and it's just like, I don't like to talk about that type of stuff. I would love to believe that the people around me always want the best for me, but that's not always the case. So I believe in having a pure intent. You may hurt somebody, but if your intentions were not to hurt them, then that's a different story. I feel like in those situations you deserve a little bit of forgiveness. But there are people, and I always try to just give people the benefit of the doubt. I have to realize that there are people who don't have good intentions for you. Like, we're gonna secure our energy so that we can secure the bag, and then they can watch me win from afar. Because at the end of the day, I don't plan on losing. Alright, so I have these twins. They're pretty dry right now, but I do want to stretch them. So I'm going to show you guys my technique that I use. So what I like to do is just take my blow dryer and I put it on high heat, low fan, and just blow, stretch it, and blow each one. Definitely making sure you stretch those roots. And then I'll take it out and stretch and blow. We're gonna continue. Low heat now. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. I did not separate it or anything. Alright. And we're gonna separate it. We're basically just gonna feel it out and see. And of course, when we do that, we wanna make sure our fingertips are nice and oiled so that we're not breaking our hair. So I'm going to just rub some of that castor oil and begin to feel and separate. So I'm also feeling that it's a little bit wet over here, so I'm just gonna hold it and go back in with the dryer. This is basically what my hair looks like after I did the blow dry. I was thinking to lay my edges, but then I was like, I actually don't feel like laying my edges, so I don't think I am. I did not use any tools, but I did use a little bit of heat, so there's a little bit of compromise there because I really wanted to stretch my curls a little bit. So you still see the curls, you guys. You can definitely still see that I have a curl going on here. Trying to get a little bit more volume in here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I showed it to you guys earlier in the video. But I do want to go and show you the length check again. So here, you guys can see it's gotten, oh, can you guys even see it's literally right here from the front. Not bad. And from the back, and see that my hair, here it is. This is where my length is at. Yeah, so I'm basically gonna keep doing what I've been doing. It seems to be working for me. I am getting some growth, some health. My hair is so much more healthy. A lot of people have also been telling me that. I honestly feel like I can't even remember the last time my hair was this long. Like, it's gotten close. I wish you guys could feel my hair through the camera. It really feels so soft, like a pillow, like a cloud. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.